In the last video, I said flat graphs can hide timing problems. Today, I want to go further. This is not about chasing perfection, it is about understanding limits. Because every room imposes them. When I measured my system, one thing was obvious. There was a strong ridge around 40 to 45 hertz. It did not disappear when I turned the subwoofer off. It did not vanish when I flipped phase. It persisted. That told me something important. This was not a setup error. It was structural. Every room reinforces certain notes. You cannot remove those notes completely. You can only decide how much influence they have. That is the first shift in thinking. We are not eliminating physics, we are working within it. If that ridge was dominating the sound, then reducing how strongly it was excited should improve timing, not by flattening the graph, but by reducing its authority. So I changed geometry, one variable at a time. I moved the subwoofer slightly, measured again. The ridge did not disappear, but it weakened. That is an important distinction. We are not searching for zero. We are searching for less dominance. The ridge was lower, broader, and less sharply defined. When a structural feature weakens and the music improves, the hypothesis holds. If the graph improves, but the sound becomes less coherent, the hypothesis fails. Measurement generates questions. Listening answers them. After the adjustment, something changed. The bass felt lighter, more mobile. My foot started tapping. That is not mystical. It simply means the room was no longer leading the rhythm. The music was. Here is the crucial point. The ridge is still there. It always will be, because the room defines the boundary. There are limits. The goal is not perfection. The goal is balance within constraint. At that point, I stopped. Not because the graph was perfect, but because the music felt coherent. That is scientific restraint. Change one variable. Observe, test, stop when sufficient. This is how measurement should be used, not to chase flatness, not to eliminate every imperfection, but to identify what dominates, reduce it, and then listen. There is no perfect target. There are better and worse compromises. In the next episode, we go deeper. We will look at integration between subwoofer and mains. We will examine phase, summation, and overlap. And we will continue working within limits. This series is not about defeating physics. It is about understanding it. I will see you in the next episode.